What's the meaning of athletic? Athletic. Athletic.
Athletic. Athletic. Athletic refers to someone who is physically fit and active in sports or exercise. It can also be used to describe the qualities of a sport or activity, such as requiring stamina, strength, and agility. Being athletic typically involves having good coordination and endurance, as well as a strong commitment to training and competition. People who are athletic may participate in a variety of sports, from running and swimming to basketball and soccer. Overall, the term athletic suggests a focus on physical fitness and a love for sports and exercise.